Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Tasha. And Tasha, what got you interested in having a hair transplant today?
Well, I've damaged my hairline with braids and weaving hairstyles, and searched YouTube, found out about this clinic, and here I am, get my edges back.
So I've already drawn out the hairline before Tasha decided to do a video, and we're actually gonna go ahead and do some shaving of just the wispy hair in the front, and then we're gonna follow her progress through the day. And Tasha, anything at this point that you want to share with everybody in YouTube?
Stop pulling on your hair, or you have to be in this chair.
The most important thing, stop the tight braids, stop the traction, stop the glues. And Tasha, we're gonna go ahead and follow you throughout the day. We're excited. It's gonna be a great day. Here we are with Tasha. Tasha, how did the first part of the procedure go?
It went well.
So what we did is we actually removed the strips and got 3 good strips out for her. So our expectations are to fill the whole entire frontal area, pack it in solid, and any pain, any discomfort, anesthesia, a little discomfort
pricking from the lidocaine, but outside of that, it was nothing more than like a tattoo.
And we listened to music for a little bit, and now we are actually watching a movie.
Yep.
Or some of us are watching a movie and eating snacks.
Some snacks.
How are you doing, Tasha?
I'm doing well.
And staff treating you okay?
Yeah, they're treating me really good. Just chit-chatting, watching videos, and talking about beauty products.
And has it been a relaxing day, as I promised?
Mm-hmm. It's been very relaxing. I got catered to. I feel like a queen getting my edges back.
You are getting your edges back. We've moved a lot of hair, and look forward to seeing the final results. And we're gonna catch up with you once everything is done.
Awesome.
We'll see you in a little.
Okay, great.
And here we are with Tasha. Tasha, congratulations. Happy Edgiversary.
Thank you.
How was your day?
It was good. It was long. They took their time. Very hospitable and caring. But all in all, it was pretty painless and went smooth as possible.
And as you see with the pictures, got plenty of hair in the areas that you needed.
Yep.
Definitely gonna bring back your edges perfectly, especially with the coarseness of the hair that you do have. I look forward to amazing results. I thank you for trusting in Natural Transplants and my team and myself. And it's been a pleasure getting to know you.
Likewise.
And really look forward to keeping up with you, doing FaceTimes, and seeing your edges grow.
Me too. I can't wait. I'm excited.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.